Figured I'd do a cold start on the 72 Custom Cruiser. Been sitting for about a week. Been doing some maintenance on the rear window here. So let's give her a whirl. Maybe one pump to set the choke here. Pops right off. So once I get the rear window functioning, I got a new motor. I just need to clean the tracks and the worm gear in there. I'm going to do all new door seals. I've got new door seals. And I got to replace, I'm going to put some like 1/2-inch pecs over those strikers. Same here. And if anybody's got any information on replacement for these, I was reading like Ford Aerostars certain years were possible, but I'd like to find an aftermarket solution that's feasible. I replaced some of the well nuts in here that were coming loose. As you can see, they're like little rubber, I don't know if you can see in there, but rubber grommet stopper type deals. Let's see if we can get the choke down. Anyways, I got a new carpet kit for this winter. I'm gonna do probably recover the front bench and just kind of chip away at it. Keep her roadworthy, keep her going. Thanks for watching, guys.